guys, very good morning. I think time almost 6:30. Today, the plan was to go on a group ride with the Trime boys, all the street twins, or mostly the street twins, but I messed it up. So last night, I have to do a lot of edit, so it took long hours, so slept off. So I'm now doing a solo ride. So where I'm heading towards is I'm going to we are going on Easier Road, East Coast Road. So this is basically called Mudilar Kuplam, the spot where I'm heading towards. It's basically run by Tamil Nadu government, where families, friends, families do come here for boating. But Sunday morning by super bikes and super cars. So anybody really interested about the super bikes, you name it, any bike, Sunday morning between 6:30 to 7:30, 8 o'clock, you will see bikes there. A couple of Lambo, Ferraris do come. So it'll be nice atmosphere at the time. We can meet a lot of friends, a lot of connects, share experiences, and thinking about the bike. So let's go. Yep. Place you can see a lot of super bikes. Yeah, they are my friends. Alright guys, so after a good chat, I have to again go solo. Well, easier, when it started, it used to be a beautiful road, because this road has got a lot of scenic views, like on the coast, here and there you can see the beach view and a couple of backwater and some greeny atmosphere in and around. But as days progress, like this road has become really a hell of a road. Still the other parts of scenic is there, but the roads are really bad, like and I don't think so this road can withstand the capacity what maybe till Mahabalipuram it's fine. From then the roads are not designed properly, like definitely it is not a safe road. Guys, on the right, what you guys see is basically now this competition which is conducted by Tamil Nadu government is happening. I think this goes till this month end, or I'm not exactly sure, but it goes on. And especially I think Prime Minister is here on 28th. And many people are expected to come here from different parts of the world and from India. Traveling this side, be very careful with your planning. Either ECR or OMR, definitely you'll have traffic congestion in this particular location. If you can avoid this road, it will be great for you guys, but if you can't, plan it yourself. was a great day so far. Met the Triumph boys and then the guys from Pondicherry and also the Honda crew from Ambattur. Much more interesting trips are being planned. There is also a big plan, Andaman maybe very soon, maybe a couple of months கூட இருக்கலாம். And then அங்கே just plan to do some sort of motor vlogging. ஸோ அதுக்கான பிளானிங்கும் போயிட்டு இருக்கு. ஏன்னா அந்தமான் எல்லாம் so yeah, so stay connected with me, take care, bye.